Study BSc Nursing with 20,000 INR in your hand. AIIMS BSc Nursing and Paramedical Courses 2026. BSc Nursing in AIIMS, that is low fees plus top hospital exposure. Hi everyone, welcome back to Nursing Mantra. If you are dreaming of BSc Nursing at AIIMS, this video is for you. Today I will explain everything step by step: campus seats, eligibility, exam pattern, negative marking, fees, hostel, mess, and finally where you can write the entrance exam. So save this video because it is a full guide of AIIMS entrance examination. AIIMS is one of the India's most respected medical education systems. For nursing students, AIIMS is special because you get strong academics, real hospital exposure, and a high valued degree. Competition is high, yes, but the learning and clinical experience are totally worth it. AIIMS mainly has two UG nursing pathways: BSc Nursing after 12th PCB subjects, post basic, that is after your diploma in nursing. Today we can focus on BSc Nursing. Duration of BSc Nursing is 4 years. Now the most asked question is, which campus AIIMS is there in New Delhi, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Jodhpur, Patna, Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, Bathinda, then Bibinagar, Bilaspur, Diogar, Gorakhpur, Guwahati, Kalyani, Mangalagiri, Nagpur. Seat count changes year to year. For example, the AIIMS prospectus mentioned 1,231 total seats in 2024 and newer matrices shows higher seats. Now eligibility. Please listen carefully because many students get confused. You should be 17 years old by 31st December of the admission year. You must pass 12th with English, Physics, Chemistry and Biology. Minimum mark in 12th is 55% for general category and 50% for SC and ST category. So in your 12th grade, you didn't perform well, you didn't study well, don't worry. You can apply for AIIMS and study well for AIIMS exam. That is also possible. BSc Nursing is for female candidate as per the prospectus. Final admission is subject to medical fitness rules. Now the entrance exam test, how it works. The mode of exam is computer-based test, CBT exam, and the duration is 2 hours. Total 100 questions will be there. That is MCQ questions are there. In that subjects like physics 30 marks, chemistry 30 marks, biology 30 marks, and general knowledge 10 marks. Negative marking like one correct answer is plus 1 mark and one wrong answer means 1/3. So qualifying pass percentage used for cutoff eligibility for general category it is 50%. OBC category 45%. SC ST means 40%. AIIMS conduct the exam in major cities across India. During registration, you choose your exam city from available options. Now the best part is AIIMS college fees are very low compared to private colleges. Example fee components shows in AIIMS campus prospectus include the registration fee is 25 rupees. Tuition fee 600, hostel rent 480, pot money 960, hostel security 1000, that also refundable, caution money that is 100. Hostel accommodation is generally provided as per the rules and the prospectus notes hostel related requirements for nursing students. So college or tuition fee side is extremely low, few thousands range only. So main spending in hostel, mess, personal expenses which varies by city where you are get selected. AIIMS application is online and usually happens in stages. First we have to do basic registration, then final registration, admit card, CBT exam, then result, then counseling will be there, choice filling and seat allotment based on the merit. Always follow the official bulletin dates for that year. Already done AIIMS entrance exam related video in 2025 in Nursing Mantra channel. You can watch the video and prepare for entrance exam in 2026. Because there is negative marking, don't guess blindly. Read NCERT 11th, 12th for PCB. Daily MCQ practice with timer. Basic current affairs, health awareness, important dates and all you can remember for GK related questions. Do mock test and improve the accuracy. Use online platforms to get previous AIIMS question papers, discussion videos, There are a lot of channels providing free classes in the YouTube and all. Based on current tentative schedules or previous cycles, the registration will follow the PAR. That means Prospective Applicants Advanced Registration System. PAR system, the registration is opening. Basic registration start in first or second week of March 2026. So next month. So you have to monitor the website, AIIMS website for the notification. Final registration and code generation, that is third week of March 2026. Registration deadline, that is last week of April 2026. Admit card release last week of May 2026. So according to the official AIIMS 2026 exam calendar, BSc Nursing, that is June 2026. For the paramedics, it's 3rd July 2026. Only female candidates are eligibility for BSc Nursing program. All registration must be completed through the official AIIMS exam portal. If you are a graduate nurse looking for job recruitment, the NORCET 10 nursing officer registration opens earlier on 24th February 2026. No fixed chapter-wise syllabus is prescribed by the institute. So what you do, you can prepare full NCERT class 11, 12 PCB and basic GK questions. Since AIIMS does not publish a strict chapter list, below are the most common high-yield topic asked for the exam. Physics 30 marks. Focus strongly on class 12. Electrostatistics, current electricity, magnetism, magnetic effect of current, electromagnetic induction, alternating current, then electromagnetic waves, optics, dual nature of matter, atoms and nuclei, semiconductor and electronic devices, communication systems. Also revise class 11 basics like units, motion, laws, work energy, gravitation, waves, heat, thermodynamics, because 10th, 11th and 12th grade level includes both these syllabuses. Chemistry, 30 marks it comes. Solutions, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics, surface chemistry, solid state, then coordination compounds, P block, D and F block, isolation of elements, then biomolecules, polymers, alcohols, phenols and related organics, carbonyl compounds and carboxylic acid, organic compounds containing nitrogen, chemistry in everyday life. In biology means it is 30 marks. Cell structure, cell theory, organelles, then prokaryote versus eukaryote. In the genetics, Mendel's laws, inheritance, classification and nomenclature, plant physiology, mineral nutrition, plant role in human welfare. Also, you can cover full class 12th classes like human physiology, reproduction, biotechnology, ecology, evolution. This overall you can study for the exam. General knowledge, usually short questions, history, geography, culture, general policy and scientific research, science, current affairs. Don't worry, Nursing Mantra have study material to prepare for your AIIMS entrance examination. If you need, you can contact us through WhatsApp number. Yes, I already did a detailed video about AIIMS entrance examination in 2025. So please check that video also. Always remember, nothing is impossible. If you have liked this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and share to your friends. Thank you.